What you doing, bud? He's pushing my hand away.
Look who's swimming. When he keeps his face out of the water, he can swim. But right now, all he wants to do is drink the water. Say, Daddy, let go. Show him how he can swim.
Uh-oh. Did you swallow?
No hands. Good job, Reed.
Good
You
job.
spinning on your... Yay, Reed's swimming. All right. Good job, buddy. Splashing.
You splashing in?
Good job, Reed.
You got yourself there. You got yourself, didn't you?
Reed, I am proud of you, buddy.
Can you swim to me?
Good job.
You gotta look at me, bud. I don't like it when you turn your back to me.
Reed, are you having fun? You tell me about it.
Uh-huh.
You splashed Daddy?
Boy, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna tickle you.
All right, buddy.
I probably could have blown it up a little bit more. Uh-oh. You get a little bit too much water. You breathe it in.
Yeah, kick your feet. Good
Kick your
job.
feet, buddy.
No, it's me, Papa.
Are you swimming? You swam to the ladder?
No.
Huh?
What are you talking about? Are you saying Happy Mother's Day?
No.
Is it Happy Mother's Day? How old are you, Reed?
No.
Are you 20 months? Are you climbing? Oh my goodness.
No.
Are you going to learn to jump off the ladder in the pool? Can you blow Mama a kiss? Blow Mama a kiss. Hey. Alright, going swimming. Go swim.
Wanna go swim?
No. Let's go to that.
Ooh.